Here we have the Incredipole Kit. And today I'm going to show you how to attach it to your pole. When it comes in the box, it comes separated like this. Here we have this little clip. I don't know if you can see it, but it comes attached to the plate. This is the plate. So here on the plate, there's this little fat piece. I like calling it the fat piece. It's the easiest way to explain it for myself. But it just unscrews from the plate. So we're gonna take our pole. We're gonna put this fat piece on the pole. Now, as you can see on the pole, or I don't know if you can, but there's gonna be a little hole here. That's gonna be for the pin later on. So we're gonna take the fat piece, put it on the pole, take your plate with the pin out. We're gonna set it to the side. Take our plate, put it on. Now we're gonna make sure on the plate there's a little hole for the pin. We're gonna make sure they line up together, and then we're gonna screw the fat piece in. So now it's tight, but it can still come off because we don't have our pin. So we're gonna take our pin. Now, if you're not lined up, this should still move, rotate. So take the pin, line them up, push it in. Now you're good. And now you are good to go.